Hi, today I want to demonstrate how I went about painting this amazing Highland cow. This is the reference photograph that I'm working from, and I started by painting a bluey turquoise background. So this is a commission for a friend, for his wife, for a Christmas present, and we decided that a blue turquoise background would look rather amazing against the brown fur. So at the moment I'm just blending about 3 shades of colour together in oil on the background. So now I'm roughly applying a base of colours onto the whole of the animal. I just want to get the colours down everywhere, and I'm trying to be quite loose and free with my brush strokes so that I can start to achieve the sense of this wild coat that the Highland cow has. On my palette I have a mixture of colours that I'm dipping into: burnt sienna, raw sienna, burnt umber, black, grey, white, Naples yellow, yellow ochre, and raw umber. There's a lot of beast to cover, but it's really fun getting all these colours down and seeing him start to emerge from the canvas. So it's nearly Christmas and I've relocated back to my house so that I can watch The Grinch with my daughter. Getting lots more layers onto this beautiful animal and building up a real sense of texture and fur. So the undercoat is still quite wet because it's oil, it takes a long time to dry. So when you apply subsequent layers, you can really blend the colours and mix them together. So now I'm by the fireplace and you can see my stocking up, hoping that Santa comes. Here I've decided to try experimenting with a palette knife to see if I can really get that wild fur. But to be honest, it isn't really working for me. But it's really important to always experiment and try different tools. I did find it useful for applying like larger areas of darkness quite boldly, so we can start to get some depth to the creature. So I am back to my comfort zone using my paintbrushes, lots of different size brushes, trying to get nice free movements for the fur, contrasted with the shininess of the nose and the whiskery mouth. lots of layers of detail to the nose area. I just think it's really important to make that a real feature. And I'm using a long rigger brush which has long bristles, and just trying to add lots of wild squiggly lines just to get a sense of his crazy hair. It's so rewarding adding all these finishing touches. Obviously the video is going super fast, but this cow has taken, I don't even know how many hours, many hours, but it's been a joy. Such a beautiful animal. Here we are about to see the finished piece, and I am delighted to say that the recipient of this canvas was very, very happy. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.